apparently Qatar Airways has a carry-on bag size maximum of 7 kilograms. You just can't bring more than that. So Brian's bag was 22 pounds and my bag was, I think, 18. We had to make a magical third checked bag, completely rearrange our carry-ons. I had a little backpack and a bigger backpack. I had to somehow combine those into one, so I had to smush everything in there. We just threw things in a bag to make a third carry-on. So anyway, we did that and then, had to go through security. And mind you, we got here 3 hours early. We barely got to the gate to board the plane when our zone was boarding. So that is why we are just coming to you now from the plane. It was a fun time.
Never experienced that with an airline in my life. We've traveled abroad many, many times, never on Qatar Airways, but right now, they're not in a good spot in my book.
You may notice that there's no one on the other side of me. We decided to go with a row that only had 2 seats, and we did pay a little more for that, but this is a 12 to 14 hour flight, so we wanted to be comfortable. So we'll give you just a little seat tour here. This is our screen. I haven't checked out their selections yet. They have a little removable remote here. They did provide headphones. There's a USB port, it looks like. I have not yet seen any plugs to plug in electronics. Oh, are they? Oh, they are down in between our legs. That is fantastic, because we will need that. My phone is low. Yeah, we ended up, because we picked this row with 2 seats, there's no divider down here, so we've got decent leg room. I also feel like we might have a little extra knee space, but I'm not sure. All right, we will check in with you guys later from the air. So we just got our food for the flight, and we have some paneer with rice, a street corn salad, a key lime mousse, a roll, and a bottle of water, and then a cute little silverware roll. So I just picked up this silverware roll, and it has real silverware in it. Wow, amazing. Al Maha Lounge in Doha Airport in Qatar for a layover. We got into this lounge because we have the American Express Hilton Honors credit card, and Priority Pass comes as a perk with that credit card. And Priority Pass will get you into 1,300 airport lounges around the world. In these airport lounges, you can typically find a lot of free food, free drinks, including alcohol. This one has showers, bathrooms, a sleeping area, a smoking area, a specific kids' play area. A lot of them, or all of them, will have private restrooms. Most of them have showers. So you get a lot of perks out of the Priority Pass access. And this is not, the Hilton Honors American Express is not the only credit card that offers the Priority Pass access. So when you're signing up for a credit card, check to see if Priority Pass is included, because it's a really great perk to have when you are traveling. Another thing that all Priority Pass lounges have is something that's my favorite, and that's coffee.
Okay, Aubrie, let's talk about our first flight. 13 hours from Atlanta to Doha.
It was pretty good. I actually slept almost 7 hours, which is like unheard of for me. How about you?
I slept, not as well as I could have, but I did sleep. Thought there were some really nice touches to the aircraft. I thought having real silverware was pretty cool.
Bougie.
We didn't have a nice beginning to loading in Atlanta, but once we left the United States, it was a lot better.
Yeah, and it was definitely worth having that row with only 2 seats. We paid a little extra for that, and it was definitely worth it to have that extra room.
Cool. So now, let's go from Doha to Nairobi. Flight number 2. Saturday morning in Nairobi, Kenya.
So after 24 hours of traveling, 2 planes, a 30-minute bus ride, and many, many, many hours, we are going to get some sleep, and we will check in with you tomorrow when our activities will begin.